Hi, I have mail, okay? It's not subscriber mail yet. I do have a subscriber that is sending me some mail, but I seriously need to get a P.O. box. But anyway, this is stuff that I ordered and it came in. I've been waiting for a minute for this stuff. So I wanted to show you what I got because I like seeing people get stuff, so maybe you do too. If that's not your thing, then move on, to each his own. But let's get started. Okay, this first one is rattling, so I'm going to open it first, okay? So, let's see. Oh, I remember these. Okay, this is rubber feet. These are supposed to be good for sewing, to put under your rulers, okay? Let me show you. These are thin. They're not thick. I had some on it before, but they were really thick, and it got on my nerves, and it really didn't cut right, so I didn't like them. So I seen these, and they're really sticky. Okay, they ripped. But anyways. Oh, you can't even see, can you? Let me see. They're real thin. And I'll show you how they do. Hold on. Okay, so if you have any quilting rulers or anything like that, that is what these are for. So all you do is peel them off. You have dots and you have the circles. They should come apart. I'm going to wipe this down with alcohol first. I'm just going to wipe it down, make sure there's no oils or yucky on there. You have oils in your fingers or whatever. So you place these randomly, and your middles are supposed to stay stuck in there. But it looks like my middles are coming up. You can take your fingernail and push those down. Okay, you just take this, and I'm going to put it on the four corners. Oh, they are grippy. Let me tell you, they are grippy. These might be fantastic, y'all. Just fantastic. Okay, they say they will not move on material, and they don't make your rulers rise up. But I cannot get these middles out. So you know what? That's another one of those Jimmy crack corn and I don't care situations. I'm just going to stick them down. Okay. Let's test this. Okay. Let's test this. Okay. I'm going to test it on this. It's not moving. So let me just say that this is a piece of fabric that I'm going to cut. Okay. Y'all, it'll move your fabric, but it is not moving. Awesome. I think I'm really, really, really going to like those. I will have these linked in my Amazon store if you are interested. Okay? Sorry, I can't talk. Okay, what is this? I don't know. I get so excited sometimes. I'm just like, what in the world? I got a thing saying what I ordered, but I ordered so much, I don't know what's coming or when. So, yeah. Bear with me. Sometimes they tape them up to where, I don't think they want you in there. Oh, for the love of Pete. Ugh. Oh! These are my... Oh, those are thick. Those are nice. Those are my sheet protectors. I'm going to use those to show you something. And they seem to be good quality, but we'll see. We'll see. So I got those. I haven't got my binders or anything yet. I have one more in this box. Sorry if this is loud. You know how bags are. Okay, nothing else in there. We'll get that later. That's how we do stuff. Oh, I know what this is. I thought these were my rulers. This is my husband's. This is for a project. He is a Sunday school teacher. And this is a project for him. But anyways, straw holder if you want one. Y'all have to overlook me. That was not what I expected, but that's okay. That's okay. Let me put this back in the box for him. Okay, let me open this little package. I think I know what this is, and it probably don't need to be, I mean, you might not really be interested in this, but you never know. These were not even supposed to come in. That's what I thought it was. These are my glucose strips. Y'all, you're probably not even interested. This is not a craft thing, but if you have diabetes, and I know one person does, and you have to test, these are the best ones, and they are the most accurate that I have found. And I have these, and I will list my monitor in my health section on my Amazon store. These are really, really nice, and they get shipped right to your door. Now let me see. I was supposed to get a set of rulers, and I did not get them. So let me see what is in here. Oh, they put the stuff in the biggest stinking boxes from Amazon. Can anybody, like, really agree with me on that? Like, yeah, hands up. Okay, so first, let me show you my rulers. I knew they were coming. I thought for sure that was my rulers, because I wasn't sure that was coming today. I'm so sorry to be so scatterbrained. But I got this set of rulers, and I'll tell you why. When I am crafting, or when I am measuring, I cannot stand to have my a line at the top. You know how some rulers will have an extended line out here or whatever. This is flush. This is flush, so you put this flush up against your projects. And I got a 16-inch, a 12-inch, an 8-inch, and another 6-inch that I can keep over here because I have one over there. I really, really wanted these, and I found a deal for all of these that was cheaper than just one of these. So that's why I got them, and they all have a hole to hang them up. And if you're interested in them, I will have them linked in my Amazon store. I am just going to check them for accuracy, because sometimes, you know, cheap rulers are not right. Right on the money. Right on the money. I'm so excited about these. I needed those so bad. Okay, this was more of a want than a need. Y'all, my mail carrier is going to hate me because I have stuff coming in almost every day of the week for a little bit. Parts for my husband and on all kinds of stuff. So, but anyway, I ordered this, okay, because I have a mini iron, but it has water, or it can take water, and I need it over at another part of my room. I keep my room in sections, and I don't like having to get up and hunt for something when I need it. I want it right there accessible to me. But anyway, I got this for small projects, and I am super, super excited about this. So I've just got this. Y'all see me opening it. Oh, nice little thank you note. How sweet. They gave me some samples. How awesome. A little instruction manual. Y'all, this is neat. And it's my favorite color. So, got a carrying bag. Now, how nifty. Okay, come on, baby. Come out of there. They got it packed good, that's for sure. Too good, that's for sure. Oh my gosh. Why is it when you want to do something on camera, or, you know, it never works? Like when you have a baby and they're like, oh, look what the baby can do. And then the baby don't do what you want it to do. And you're like, I know they can do it. Yeah, it's just life. Oh, how cute. How stinking cute. I love it. Oh, goodness gracious. That is the cutest little thing. Okay, so they gave you these. These are kind of rubbery things. I don't know. Just practice things. I guess I could put it on here so that way I would know what I had. So we might do that. I don't know. We might do a project with our stuff, okay? Just to see how it does. Well, if I'm going to do that, let me plug this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so when you plug this in, I don't know if it's going to do it again, but it beeped like a time bomb going off. Yep, it did it again. I guess that's going to do it every time you plug it in. So, let me see. I do know that it has 3 settings when you turn it on. Let me see. You hit it once for 275, 305, 330, and you can keep going. I want it on 330. It doesn't have a timer, but it's heating up. I'll see if that gets hot under there. Okay, so what did they give me? There's your temperatures. You can see this all before you buy it. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 temperature settings. So that's good. It has a 6-foot cord. That's always good to know, isn't it? What did we get? Oh, my daughter would love that. Pineapple. So there's a little pineapple transfer. I hope you can see the glare is terrible, and I apologize. Okay, we have a solar system thing. Okay, we have a cute little llama. I love that. That is adorable. Oh, that's interesting. Not sure. A lion. Oh my God, this is funny. It's a dog. It's a dog with headphones, or yeah, headphones, but them ears, wow. Okay, now we got summertime. That's kind of ugly, but either way, you got it. I just realized that I have paint on my finger. Oh, my daughter would love this on a shirt for her daughter, and I know it. That's fun. That is really cute. And then we have a flower. These feel like rubber. They're so weird. Okay, so the instructions for this is silicone, okay? So we're going to try this. So I've got my little doodad plywood I made so it don't get my mat ruined. I had to back it down to 305, so I'm just going to preheat this, and this will let me know what's in my bag, as if I don't know, but you know people and labels, okay? So I'm heating this. All right. So I'm going to take off just one of the Off Nova things, okay? Because that's all I want to put on here. So I'm going to put it right here, just as if, that was their logo bag, okay? And I am going to cover it, and it says keep it moving for 20 seconds. Okay, this has no countdown, so I'm just going to count in my brain. Okay, it might be longer. But we'll see. And I don't know if you peel warm. Oh, you don't peel that. It's not set. Let's see. You know, I'm going to have to try this with like real HTV because I have never used this rubber junk in my life. So we'll see. Maybe you peel cold. I don't know. It never said. So I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to let it cool. So, okay, I'll let it cool down. Let's try to peel this again. I thought it messed up. So this is a peel cool type deal. And I got that crooked as I'll get out. But hey, it's my bag. I'm just testing. It's on there. It's on there. And it ain't going nowhere. Oh, I'm so excited. Yay. These things are good for shoes, hats, hair bows, you know, whatever that's little that your press is too big for. So I think I'm really going to like that thing. And I know I love the color. So anyways, that's it for my haul. Did y'all hear me? Did y'all hear me? I'm used to saying haul, so that's what I said. But that's it for my mail. You remember that? This might tell my age, but you know, you remember that when your mail would tell you, you got mail, yay, you got mail, you know. I think every person in our family had that on our phones at that time, and then, you know, they made it where you could get it on your computer, and it was just so annoying. Why did we do that? But we thought it was funny at the time. Anyways, enough of my ratchet jawing, okay? I got some stuff coming in tomorrow, but I don't know if I'll show it. But if you like this type of thing, comment and let me know. Because I think it's fun. I really do. And I made me a new hoodie. Ain't it cute? I'm so excited about my stuff. So I will see y'all tomorrow in a Sew It Saturday video. Goodbye.